Hi everyone, welcome to our first video with writing our first Python program. So I've gone ahead and saved my file as welcome.py, that's the extension for Python. So I'm going to go ahead and start defining our first variable to hold our value. So I'm going to have a string value and a number. So for string, I'm just going to call my variable welcome message. And to indicate that this is a string, I would surround it with double quotations or those quotation marks here. So I'm just going to say, I'm just going to give a simple message, welcome to Python. And notice I won't need a semicolon for Python. It's just like that. And I won't need to define the data type as well. Python will detect that on its own. And I'm also going to create a number variable. I'll call this video number and I'll give it a value 1. And that's it. It's just as easy as that. That's how we define our variables in Python. Now, to print the messages, I would need to use the print method. So in Python, the print message, I could have a text, a string. So saying the message is, and I would just have to put a comma and give the variable that I want to display. And I'll do the same for my number variable. Oh, sorry, and I say this is video number, and I'll give my number variable. And to run the program, I just need to hit the run button here, or go from the run menu and click on run. And I'm getting my results here. The message is, and whatever I've got stored in my variable, which was welcome to Python. And this is video number, so that's just basically the string is being printed out here, in addition to whatever value is being stored in my variable, which was number 1. And that's it. This was our first program in Python.